feral child is a human child who has lived away from human contact from a very young age. They have little or no experience on social behavior. They are not loving, they are not caring, but most importantly, they do not have the ability to speak the human language. Feral children are often brought up by their parents in isolation or have been brought up by animals in the wild. Marahil nagtataka kayo, totoo kaya ito? Kasi wala pa namang recorded feral child case dito sa Pilipinas. Pero ngayon masasabi ko na hawak ko na ang kauna-unahang kaso ng feral child dito sa ating bansa. Siya si Angela, isang feral child na natagpuan sa bundok Sierra Fuego. Nung una namin siyang nakita ay wala siyang alam. She was crawling and barking like a dog. She was agitated and restless. Pero hindi ko sinukuan si Angela. Binigay ko sa kanya ang proper treatment, proper therapy, proper medication para maibalik siya sa normal. And I succeeded. I am proud to present to you the new and improved Angela. Alam naman nating lahat na ang pinakamahirap maibalik sa isang feral child ay ang ability to speak the human language. In other cases abroad, it is almost impossible. At tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, nung una naming nakita si Angela, ay tumatahol lamang siya parang aso. But today, masasabi ko sa inyo na naituro ko kay Angela ang imposible. Angela? Batiin mo sila.